Are you suffering from knee joint pain? I know it hurts. It's common for senior citizens but can also be caused by arthritis or being overused. This day, I rarely get knee joint pain, but I wasn't always like that. Many years ago, I was attacked with a baseball bat and my knee was broken. I was told I would never walk again, yet to this day, I can still walk on that leg. I was taught to improve the blood flow to my knee. The protein in the blood encouraged the tendons and kneecap to repair. Why don't you follow along? I will show you how to get rid of the pain in your knee. Both palms, massage your knee on the side in a clockwise position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left palm and just pat on your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With your fingers and thumb on your knee, with your right hand on your foot. 1, push it. 2. You will feel some tension in your joint. This is normal. 2, 3, 4, 5. This time extend your feet. 1, 2. For maximum benefit, slowly extend your leg straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both palms on your knee and extend your leg up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time extend your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place both palms on your knee and massage it up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With the knee forward and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place the palm on your knee again and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time massage it downward. 1, 2. You will feel the friction if you are massaging firm enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place your palm and hold your knee for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do this program to help you to reduce your pain in your knee. Do this 2 times a day, morning and evening, for 2 weeks, and let me know how you get on. If you click on the notification bell, you will be the first to receive my new natural method videos.